How to download Bilibili app on iPhone. Now, first things first, Bilibili is actually a Chinese online video sharing website based in Shanghai where users can submit, view, and even add overlaid commentary on videos. You can also you can also stream movies on Bilibili, specifically anime series and movies. So it is actually available via Google Play Store and as well as iOS on App Store. Just simply access your Apple Store and from here just simply look for or search Bilibili TV. So it is usually on the second result, just simply tap on that and tap on get for you to be able to download and install this. It's a free to use app. You do not need to create an account with it. Now, once you've successfully downloaded the application, you just need to keep in touch and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. This is to avoid crashes, bugs, and errors. And that's it. It's how you download Bilibili app on iPhone.